Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make League of Legends client full screen. In order to make the League of Legends client full screen, firstly head to the taskbar on the bottom hand side of your screen. Then right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. From here go to taskbar behavior. From here select the automatically hide the taskbar check to be checked. After that close the window. Now as you can see, the taskbar is gone, but you can still interact with it by moving your mouse over it. So we'll head to the search panel from here and search for League of Legends. Then click on open. After that the League of Legends client will open up. So as you can see, now the League of Legends client is open. And now if you want to make it full screen, go to the gear button from the top right hand side, click on it. Now in the Generals tab, scroll down until you find the window size, and if you select this option, you'll see that your native resolution is available in here. So just left click on it, click on done, and now your League of Legends client is in full screen.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.